It causes infertility because of the increased androgens, which prevents the egg getting renewed every month. That affects the menstrual cycles and also causes infertility. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Bindu Gar and I am head of the Department of Reproductive Medicine in Neelkanth Hospitals. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important causes of infertility among women, and that is PCOS. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome. It is a condition that affects a woman's hormone levels and it is the leading cause of female infertility. Ovarian syndrome is characterized by irregular menstrual cycles, which can range anytime, anywhere between absent menstrual cycles to prolonged cycles. The ovaries may develop numerous small collection of fluid and fail to regularly release the eggs. It is also characterized by obesity and there is increased facial hair growth, and they have the oily skin, patchy dark skin, mostly near the neck, and it is called as acanthosis nigricans in medical terms. The exact cause is not known. It is a combination of genetic lifestyle factors. There is increased androgen and insulin resistance in the body of the woman who suffer from polycystic ovary. Androgens are the male hormones which are there in the normal female also to an extent, but in these women the androgen levels are so much more that they start having increased facial hair growth and oily skin. Increased insulin means that the body is not sensitive to the amount of insulin which is being produced in their body, so the body is forced to produce more insulin to keep the same glucose under check. It causes infertility because of the increased androgens, which prevents the egg getting renewed every month. That affects the menstrual cycles and also causes infertility. It is one of the most important risk factors for endometrial cancer since it causes an insulin resistance, so it can lead to type 2 diabetes, and since it also causes obesity, it may lead to increased risk factors for cardiovascular risk diseases at a later date. Polycystic ovary syndrome, usually the treatment is targeted at the requirement of the woman. The treatment is usually tailored towards the need of the woman, usually young female who just wants regularization in the cycle. We put them on oral contraceptive pills. The oral contraceptive pills keeps the harmonic level under control. It regularizes the cycle also. If a woman wants to get pregnant, then we put her on fertility treatment. An important factor which can improve the polycystic ovary syndrome is weight loss. Weight loss helps in making the polycystic syndrome a little better. See, the knowledge is so much that it's not possible to give in this small video. For more information and any doubts about the treatment, you can visit us at Neelkanth Hospital.